Hello, a very good morning dear students and welcome to today's class. So we were discussing this chapter, that is electric charges and field. Electric charges and fields. Okay, so this is the topic of discussion. And okay, electric charges and fields. And this is lecture number 2. Okay, the second lecture on this topic, that is electric charges and field. And in the last class we have already discussed this what is charge, what is the difference between mass and the charge. All these things we have already seen in the last class. Today we are going to see another concept, that is properties of charge. Properties of charges. I think you are much familiar with the charges now. Okay. Now see, properties of charges. One more thing that I have announced here. Somebody is commenting that fonts are not size of the akshara. Just check whether this size is enough for you or not. And one more thing that I have to say, the internet connection on check market. Suppose if you are watching the video in the low quality, then also you are not able to see the charges, or internet connections are poor idre engu akshar first kanalla. So just video quality high ಮಾಡಿ check ಮಾಡಿ. Because I have watched this video, but watched the video, I didn't feel any problem while I am reading this. Okay, so just see, just check it whether, just comment me, the people who are able to see properly, just comment me, okay, it's good, comment ಮಾಡಿ. Otherwise, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಕ್ಷರದಿಂದ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಡ. So, whoever having problem, just they also tell me what is the problem. Okay. So, okay, so that I will understand how many are getting, how many are not getting. So whatever. So we were discussing the properties of the charges. In that, the first property is additivity of charge. Additivity of charge. Okay. 1 minute. Let's see what is the additivity of charge. Suppose for this we have to understand one small thing, that is a system or an isolated system. Isolated system ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. So first of all, isolated system. So this word isolated, or this word that is isolation, this is one of the most famous word of 2020, you remember. So there was an announcement that is, if you have a symptoms of coronavirus, then just be in the self-isolation in home or hospital. Okay, so isolate agli anta helibittu. ಏನು isolate agli? So don't react with anybody. ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ react ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. Don't talk with anybody, don't walk with anybody, don't eat with anybody, don't be with anybody. Just be in a single room and don't get out, don't go out. So these things. Okay. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, isolation. Okay. ಹಾಗೆ isolated system ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? A system which doesn't react with other system. Okay. A system which doesn't react with other system or environment. Okay. ಬಾಜು ಯಾವುದು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ isolated system, and I am taking this system as A. A is a system, it is isolated system. Okay. Isolated system, like I have some charges. First one is 1 coulomb of charge here, 2 coulomb of charge here, minus 3 coulomb of charge here, and plus 3 coulomb of charge here. Systematic, this much of charges are there. Okay. So if somebody asks you what is the total charge or the net charge, total total charge of this system A, yes, total charge of this isolated system A, yes. At that time, what you have to do, you have to just add these charges. Add ಮಾಡಿ hang add ಮಾಡಿ first 1 coulomb of charge plus 2 coulomb of charge, so plus it is plus 2, so plus another, okay, plus minus 3 coulomb of charge plus 3 coulomb of charge, okay, just add ಮಾಡಿ. So 1 coulomb plus into plus 2 coulomb plus into minus 3 coulomb plus into plus 3 coulomb. Just see plus 3 coulomb minus 3 coulomb will be 0. So 1 plus 2 coulomb will be equal to 3. That is, the total charge is how much? Plus 3 coulomb. Understood? And if a system like this, some charges, isolated system like some charges are there. So the net charge or total charge can be calculated just by adding all the charge. And now real numbers na hang out charge you add one. Okay. So this is the additivity of the charge, and this is the first property of the charge. Okay. Now let's see the second property of the charge. Second, conservation of a charge. Conservation of a charge. Conservation andre ಏನು? What do we mean by conservation? Okay, conservation of charge andre, just see conservation laws already we have learned this. Conservation andre a charge neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be transferred. So this is the conservation law of charge. Transfer. What does it mean? Charge is now create ಮಾಡಕಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ destroy ಮಾಡಕಲ್ಲ. Okay, but it can be transferred. ಇದು transfer ಆಗಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ transfer ಆಗಬಹುದು, but it is neither be created nor be destroyed. Or it can be also written as this law: the total charge of isolated system is constant or constant. What does it mean? Okay, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ತಿಳಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ one thing ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಏನಂತ, suppose there is one system, this is one isolated system. Okay, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದಾವೆ? 1 coulomb, 2 coulomb plus 2 coulomb plus 1 coulomb minus 1. So this much of charge is there in this isolated system. This is system A. If this system ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, what I will do, I will ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಷ್ಕರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಂದರೆ what do you mean by ಮಷ್ಕರಿ? I will shake it. I will ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. So I will do something with this system. Okay, I am doing something with this system. This system ಜೊತೆ ನಾನು ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So after that, sometime there will be one ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ, so again this will be the system A. So what is the total charge before doing anything? ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ, before shaking it, what was the total charge in that? Let's calculate this. Let's see. It is plus total charge, that is plus 1 coulomb plus 2 coulomb plus minus 1 coulomb. Okay, so what is it? Plus 1 coulomb minus 1 coulomb will cancel, so total charge is plus 2 coulomb. Total charge is 3. Okay, So after doing some work on it, on the system ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ work ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ, so the total charge ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇದ್ರಾಗೆ ಅದು that will be plus 2 coulomb ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Total charge change. ಇದರ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ನಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ this will become plus 2 coulomb, ಇಲ್ಲೇ minus 1 coulomb and plus 1 coulomb. This kind of things will happen. Change ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, but the total charge ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ that will be. Okay, so you can take one question, then you can understand on this totally. What is that question? Let me see. There is a system. First one is isolated system here. System value number is. So this is the system A, and it contains charges plus 2 coulomb, plus 3 coulomb, minus 1. This much of charges are there in this isolated system. I am doing some work on this system. System again I am so I will get the same system here, and the charges are here like this: plus 2 coulomb, plus 5 coulomb, ಮತ್ತು minus 3 coulomb. Now they are asking us what is the charge on this characteristic. So we know the conservation of charge. What does it tell you? The total charge of an isolated system is constant. So see, what is the total charge on this body? Total charge will be equal to plus 2 coulomb plus 3 coulomb plus of minus 1 coulomb. Okay, so this is the total charge of this body. So just take note of total charge. AC bolate nama matu college and AC ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ. So it is CC, total charge. Okay, so plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus into minus is minus 1. So plus 5 minus 1 is plus 4. So total charge will be plus 4 coulomb. So idrage system A, the total charge is plus 4 coulomb, and we know ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಿಗೆ isolated system ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿ, so after doing any work on that system, the charge, total charge will be constant, that it will be plus 4 coulomb. So we know total charge will be equal to plus 5 coulomb plus of minus 3 coulomb ಇದರ total charge calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, plus of question mark ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, I am taking that next example ಏನಾದರೂ. Okay, so total charge ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೆ? Total charge will not change, so it will be plus 4 coulomb. So plus 4 coulomb is equal to plus 5 coulomb plus into minus 3 plus 5 minus 3 is plus 2 coulomb plus x ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, so we are calculating the charge on this body. So what will be the x? X will be equal to plus 4 coulomb minus 2 coulomb. So plus 3 is over there, minus 2 coulomb. So finally x will be equal to either value charge plus 2 coulomb. Okay. Now we got all these things. Idra ಎಷ್ಟು charge ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ. Now calculate what is the total charge of this body. Total charge ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ equal to plus 5 minus 3 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು plus 2 coulomb ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus 2 coulomb. So total charge ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು plus 4 coulomb. Now if you see, the total charge is same of an isolated system like doing any kind of thing on the isolated system, the total charge or the net charge will be constant or will be the same. So this is the conservation of charge. I hope you understood this. So we see the next property of charge. This is again one of the most important property, that is quantization of charge. Third property, that is quantization of charge. Quantization of charge. So this is the third property of charge. Quantization andre ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ quantization andre anything which is available in fixed number. Available in fixed number. On fixed number name it is available. So that is called as quantization charge. Quantization ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು quantization. Suppose okay, available in fixed. Suppose you are going to the market and ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಗೆ? You have to bring eggs ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಗೆ ಹೊರಟಿವಿ. Okay, so your mommy will tell you bring 1 dozen of egg. 1 dozen ತತ್ತಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ರಿ. 1 dozen ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 12 ತತ್ತಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ರಿ. Okay, can you bring 12.5 eggs? 12 ತತ್ತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅರ್ಧ ತತ್ತಿ. Is it possible to bring 12.5 eggs? ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅರ್ಧ ತತ್ತಿ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಕರೆನ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ just see 12.5 eggs ತರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. It is either you have to take one egg ತಗೋಬಹುದು, 1 ತತ್ತಿ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ 2 ತತ್ತಿ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, 3 ತಗೋಬಹುದು, 100 ತಗೋಬಹುದು, 1000 ತಗೋಬಹುದು, 1 lakh ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ 1.5 egg not possible. ಸಿಗರೇಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ಬೇಕು? 1.5 egg. Is it possible to take bring 1.5 egg? ಇಲ್ಲ. Means it is quantized. ಅಂದರೆ it is available in the fixed number. 1 ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 next will be 4. No, 1 ಬಿಟ್ರೆ 1.5 1.25 2.5 3.5 ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? So that is called as quantization. Quantization ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು thing which is available in the fixed number. Okay, ಹಂಗೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕ್ವಾಂಟೈಸ್ಡ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Okay, if there is no charge which is half, means so fundamental charge ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. fundamental charge. Okay, fundamental charge not fundamental. Okay, so fundamental charge andre ಏನು? A charge on electron is called as the fundamental charge. What is the charge on electron? Charge on electron. Just take a mark here upon 1.6 into 10 raised to -2. So this is called as fundamental charge. Okay, charge on electron is called as fundamental charge, and the smallest charge known in the universe. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ಹಂಗೆ ತತ್ತಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಎಗ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 1 egg. ಹಂಗೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 1.6 into 10 raised to -19 ಕೂಲಂಬ್. ಇದರದ್ದು ಅರ್ಧ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ತತ್ತಿನ ಅರ್ಧ ಮಾಡಿ ತಿನ್ಬಹುದು, ತಿನ್ಬಹುದು, ಅರ್ಧ ತಿನ್ಬಹುದು, ಬಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಫ್ egg? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಂಗೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಂದರೆ charge on the electron is the smallest charge known in the universe. Now let's see what is actually meaning of fundamental charge. Fundamental charge is actual meaning. It is the smallest charge. It is the smallest charge that can exist independently. What is fundamental charge? It is the smallest charge that can exist smallest charge that can exist independently. Okay. Means what is that smallest charge that can exist independently is charge on electron. What? How much it is? 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Okay. Into smallest charge that can exist independently. Either in the central charges how they have discovered. Now they are telling in the physics. Discovery is going on continuously. Okay, research is going on continuously. Now E is not the fundamental charge. They are more smallest charge than this. Means like your quartz, anti-quartz. Okay. So other the charge E to Allah, that is E by 2, 2E by 3. They are also having charge. Okay. But they doesn't exist independently. Independently exist. Okay. So therefore, smallest charge that can exist independently is E, that is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb, and that is called as fundamental charge. So now I have already said, someone by 130 you can buy 2, you can buy 3, so on. Like that only, you can get charge 1E. First charge you can get 1E. Next you can get 2E. Next you can get 3E. You will not get 1.5 E charge. E charge will get 0. Because it is quantized and it is available in fixed terms. You can get plus 1E, minus 1E, minus 2E, minus 1E, minus 2E, minus 3E, and so goes. Or I can write ಹಂಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ n e ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus n e ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, n ಅಂದ್ರೆ okay, so fundamental charge ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. So finally what I can write, q is equal to plus or minus n e ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. This is called as quantization of. It is available in the integral multiple of the fundamental charge. Okay, so this is the final equation, that is q is equal to plus or minus n e. Okay, this is the quantization of the charge. Understood? It is available in the fixed number. Means total charge can be the charge is the integral multiple of the fundamental. That is integral. Okay, so whatever. Now let's take one problem. How many electrons? By using this formula, I can tell this. How many electrons make 1 coulomb of charge? 1 coulomb charge is like that. Just electrons square. Just you see number of electrons. So we have the formula q is equal to n into e, plus or minus n into e, plus or minus n into e. Okay. So here q is equal to n e, or just you can say what is q? Q is total 1 coulomb charge ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. So q is 1 coulomb is equal to n number of electrons we have to calculate. Okay. E is the charge of electron, that is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Done. So just take this here, 1 coulomb divided by 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. Okay, coulomb. This coulomb cancels, so it is 10. So finally, if you see this, just calculate 1 divided by 1.6. So it will be nearly 0.625. Just calculate it, and the final answer now it is 6.25 into 10 raised to 18. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 coulomb of charge ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ So you have to use ನಿಮಗೆ 6.25 into 10 raised to 18 electrons ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕು. Okay, so this is the class today. In the next class we will see some different concepts, methods of charging. One more thing, small thing I will tell. I think you understood this problem: quantization of charge, conservation of charge, additivity. Okay, additivity. Let me repeat this once again. Additivity andre, so you can add the charges like real numbers. Okay. Conservation andre, charge neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be transferred andre. Total charge on an isolated system will remain constant. Third one, quantization of charge. Quantization of charge means charge is available in the fixed number. That is, it is the integral multiple of the fundamental charge. Fundamental charge is nothing but charge on the electron. That is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. But ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ charges also they have discovered from the quartz, anti-quartz, ಅದರದ್ದು charge E/3, E/2, 2E/3 ಹಿಂಗೆ ಐತೆ. But they are not independent ಇರಲ್ಲ. So therefore the charge on the quantization ಅಂದ್ರೆ everything which is available in the fixed number. So charge on the body is the integral multiple of the fundamental charge. Okay. Now one more thing, that is conductors and insulators andre ಏನು? Conductors, insulators. So no need to discuss much about this. So just I will give you the definition, and you know already 8th class in the Osman Barati. Conductors andre anything which allows the passage of electric charges through them. ಯಾರು electric charge pass ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ allow ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, how can I am allowing because I am conductor. Ibrahim sir is a conductor. Yes, really I am a conductor. What? And button happidaga shock andre electrons are passing from me, charges are passing through me. So if the charges are passing through any body, then that body is called as a conductor. Example of conductor: copper. In copper wire ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ನೀವು ಲೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋಲ್ಲ wire, copper, and many examples are there. What metals? Copper, silver. Okay, metals are good conductors. Whatever. So many examples are there for the conductors. So you are also conductor, I am also conductor. Anything which allows the electric charges to pass through them is called as conductor. Insulator andre ಏನು? allow ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಬರಬೇಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ. Don't come in front of me. Don't look at me. Don't come to me. Don't allow. Not allow. So insulator, what they will do? They will not allow. ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ, ನೀವು ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ ಇನ್ಸುಲೇಟರ್ ಕಡೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ಸುಲೇಟರ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್. So that is called as insulator. A thing which doesn't allow electric charges to pass through them is called as insulator. Okay. For example, kadigi or wood, you can say wood, plastic, rubber. These all things doesn't allow electric charge to pass. Okay. Wooden is, so that is called as insulator. Okay. Generally we have seen ನಾವು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತಿರೋ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಮಗೆ ಬಡಿತೀವಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಬಡಿತೀವಿ? ಕಟ್ಗಿ ಡಸಂಟ್ allow the ಮತ್ತು ಬಡಿಬೇಡ ಯಾರಿಗೆ, ಕಟ್ಗಿ won't allow the passage of electric charges through. Or rubber, ಚಪ್ಪಲಿ ಹಾಕೋತೀರಿ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, you have seen the electrician, so they will always ಚಪ್ಪಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ because they will not allow the passage of electric charges. So you understood the difference between the conductor and the insulator. So conductor conductors are the thing which allows the electric charges to pass through them, and insulator are the thing which doesn't allow the electric charges to pass through them. And one more thing is there, that is a semiconductor. So we will see in the later classes. For this chapter it is not required now, so in the later classes we will do that. And thank you for watching the video. Just tell me, writing barabar kanakatalla? Okay. Please like, share and subscribe this YouTube channel. And ಇದು ಅಕ್ಷರನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. And thank you very much. Thank you for watching the video. Good luck, best of luck, tata, bye bye, see you, and study well. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.